Founded in 2002, Global Defense Initiatives Incorporated is a U.S.-based, veteran-owned small business specializing in the development and manufacturing of mount interface devices, Marksman-grade engineered mounts. Every shot, every time. Introducing the GDI P-ROM L-Model rifle optic mount for telescopic scopes. Precision engineered and built to increase accuracy and marksmanship effectiveness in the harshest battlefield environments.
Precision rifle optical mount. We had one drill where the guys made a shot over 100 yards with their 5.56. They moved over, pulled this optic off, put an ACOG on, entered the shoot house, engaged the target really close, not quite muzzle contact, but pretty close, then backed out, pulled the ACOG off, put this scope back on, and went and did a stress fire, over in our carbine pit. No loss of zero on any gun. It has been 100%, not a single loss of zero.
Marksman grade engineered mounts. Every shot, every time. Zero retention. 0.01 MOA zero retention. Maintain zero during extensive live fire usage.
This is an actual return to zero. There's no question about it. We've done this at 100 yards, shoot a 5-round group, pull the scope off, put it back on, toss it around the range, it doesn't matter, put it back on, it goes straight back into its normal zero.
Return to zero. 0.01 MOA zero repeatability allows shooter to remove and remount optic without loss of zero.
We've got the little Trijicon RMR. The nice thing about this is if it turns out that it's good to have this up here on the forward of these knobs so that you can see them, that's well and good and everything else. However, if I prefer it on the rear one, like it's done on this one, I'll just put it back closer to my eyeball.
Red dot sight adapter plate system. Ambidextrous positioning. Forward-rearward positioning. Accommodates Trijicon RMR. L3 Insight MRDS. Aim Point Micro. Enhanced eye relief. Additional 3 to 3.5 inches. Adjustable to accommodate short eye relief optics. Positions optic for proper eye relief and sight picture. Adjustable to accommodate different height shooters and length of pull.
This is a pretty nice feature. If I go in and I lock it in and I don't feel like it's tight enough, all I need to do is just come in here. It's not any sort of special tool. There's no Torx driver, nothing. I can just put a flathead screwdriver in there, give it a 1/16 of a turn.
Adjustable to out-of-spec Picatinny rails. Adjust to worn or out-of-tolerance rail systems. Non-abrading rail lockdown feature will not gouge and degrade dimensional integrity of rail system. M1913 Picatinny rail compatible 30mm and 34mm ring diameter models. 0 MOA, 25 MOA, 45 MOA base models. Auto-locking quick detach lever system. QD lever mechanism automatically locks and engages rail to secure mount to weapon. Positive auto-locking system secures aiming device to weapon.
The return to zero feature is what is so unique about this mount. It's not return to almost zero. It's return to zero. It will put you right back where you were. We've been working all week out here with this P-ROM mount. Fire, clear them out. On, off, pulling this off, putting an ACOG on, pulling the ACOG off, putting this back on. We have always had an absolute return to zero.
The GDI P-ROM L-Model Rifle Optic Mount. American-made. Marksman grade engineered mounts. Every shot, every time.